Join me as I dive into the world of crypto staking and see if I can actually make some money from it. Crypto staking has been gaining popularity in the cryptocurrency world, and for good reason. It's a way for users to earn passive income by participating in the validation process of certain blockchain networks. But before we dive deeper, let's address some of the common misconceptions and challenges people face when trying to make money through staking. One of the biggest misconceptions about crypto staking is that it's a way to get rich quick. Unfortunately, it doesn't work that way. You won't be making thousands of dollars overnight, but with the right strategy and a bit of patience, you can generate some decent passive income. Another challenge people face is understanding how staking actually works. It can be a bit overwhelming, especially for those who are new to the world of cryptocurrencies. But don't worry, we'll break it down in simple terms so you can get started. Some people think that staking is only for tech-savvy individuals or those with a lot of money to invest. That's not true. Anyone can get started with staking, regardless of their background or financial situation. So, let's talk about how staking works. Essentially, when you stake your coins, you're participating in the validation process of a blockchain network. This process is called forging or minting, and it helps to secure the network and verify transactions. In return, you're rewarded with a certain amount of coins, which can then be sold or traded for other cryptocurrencies. There are different types of cryptocurrencies that are suitable for staking, and each one has its own unique characteristics. Some of the most popular ones include Tezos, Cosmos, and Tron. These cryptocurrencies use a proof-of-stake algorithm, which means that validators have chosen to create new blocks based on the amount of coins they hold, rather than their completing time. One of the benefits of staking is that it allows you to earn passive income without having to sell. This can be especially useful during bear markets when prices are low. Plus, it's a relatively low-risk way to invest in cryptocurrencies, especially compared to trading and market trading. I'd like to share a personal success story. A few months ago, I started staking a small amount of pesos just to see how it would work out. Fast forward to today, and I've earned a decent amount of passive income, which I've since reinvested in other cryptocurrencies. It's not life-changing money, but it's definitely a nice investment. Another benefit of staking is that it's relatively easy to get started. You can start with a small amount of money, and then scale up as you become more comfortable with the process. Plus, there are many online resources and communities that can help you learn and stay up to date with the latest developments in the world of staking. My own success with staking has inspired me to continue exploring and learning more about this exciting opportunity. I've tried different staking strategies and I've seen some amazing results. To sum it up, crypto staking is a legitimate way to earn passive income, and it's definitely worth exploring. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with the right mindset and a bit of patience, you can generate some decent returns. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear about your experiences with crypto staking in the comments below. And if you're new to staking, be sure to check out my other videos